Navigating and saving formulas in the workbook. Navigating between worksheet. To move between the worksheets, we can click on the sheet tabs which are located on the bottom of the sheet. We can directly click on the sheet tab and choose the sheet which we want to open. In case the number of sheets are more, then we can choose the sheet scrolling buttons to move from one sheet to another. Scrolling buttons. Scrolling buttons are those buttons that help to move from one sheet to another in a workbook. There are 4 scrolling buttons in a workbook. How to save a workbook? We can save the workbook in the hard drive of the computer. We need to follow the following steps to save the worksheet. Click on the File menu or press Alt plus F or go to the standard toolbar of the worksheet. Click on Save As option from the File menu or click on Save option from standard toolbar. Choose the locations where you want to save the file. Type the name with which you want to save the file. Click on Save. Your file will be saved with that name.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.